Yo, we're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. I'm going to be out of town this weekend, so we're doing that Sunday review of positions and watch list stocks on the watch list that we could probably enter. Doing it a little bit early this time. So let's go over it. I actually entered into PLTR the other day at close because it held the 50 SMA pretty well, and we're still holding. I'm a little bit in the negative. But if we stay strong above 50 SMA around 155, and then we could remount the blue line, the 90 EMA around 160, I believe PLTR is a good stock to reach the prior high. Looking over Nike, we are still in profit, sitting above the 9 EMA. Labu breaking the resistance, probably going to hold this for a longer term swing. Tesla looking good, healthy pullback on top of the 9 EMA. Still have my target above, maybe a little bit above the Bollinger Band right there, the upper Bollinger Band. Netflix, it went a little bit over the 50 SMA around 1230 today. If we close above 1230, I think we are looking bullish for a continuation on Netflix. Apple looking good, bouncing off the 9 EMA. Oklo in profits as well. 9 EMA is curling up on top of the 20 SMA for support. We're still holding this to the top. Shopify struggling at the 9 EMA around 140. If we break that, I believe we're going to go up to prior high to where we take our targets. First Solar, we entered a little bit early around this candle. It was sitting on the 9 EMA. I thought there was support there. We're going to go up. It pulled back to the 20 SMA. We're still good though because the stop is a little bit lower. And now we remounted the 9 EMA today. So hopefully we continue going higher. Dash looking good, struggling around the 9 EMA. Roblox looking strong. Remember the gap down on that news of the lawsuit. Now we're above the 9 EMA and 20 SMA can continue to all-time highs and even break that for a longer term hold. I'm looking at PLTR for home building stock. I'm hoping for maybe a little bit consolidation and then a break of this little range here, and then you could probably enter with a stop under the 9 EMA. Toast looks good. We talked about it in one of the previous videos that we wanted it to remount the 50 SMA around 44.84. It did that today. If we close above that, you could probably enter and then target the prior high with a stop a little bit under the 9 EMA. Coinbase I like a lot. You could anticipate the remount of the 50 SMA right here at 347 and then hold longer for all-time highs. Plus, it's added to the S&P, so people are going to be buying this stock. If you're bullish on crypto coins and you don't really own any crypto, I really recommend buying Coinbase for a long-term hold. Hopefully, we have to remount here the 9 EMA and 20 SMA first for an upward continuation. That circle I just deleted. I really like Coinbase if you are a long-term holder or investor. Also, I'm already in too deep with crypto, so I'll probably just gonna swing trade coin. But hey, if you have no exposure, I really recommend Coinbase. Hood, we're looking at the bounce at the 50 SMA around $100 and prior little breakout level right here. So if it pulls back and finds support there, it could probably be a good enter. I'm liking Hood. Elf looking good. Had earnings. Bounced off the 200 SMA. Now it's bouncing up, breaking this range resistance. Nice little reversal right there. Elf is looking good. MU, look at that. 3 moving averages curling up. You got the 9 EMA, 20 SMA, and 50 SMA right under the candle. Could probably enter into MU with a tight stop. Lemonade bouncing off the 20 SMA. Pretty nice little hammer candle right there. Hopefully we remount the 90 and make it close around there and then continue going higher. I'm liking Lemonade. ANET pulled back to the 20 SMA, then consolidated for a little bit. But today, look at a nice volatile candle. Maybe buyers are stepping in more volume and then you can continue going higher for ANET. Lastly, AMD remounted the 9 EMA. Could probably enter into today and hopefully hold for the prior resistance or even longer for AMD. Semiconductors, I'm bullish on this stock. I just already have too many positions, so I'm not going to enter into any more at the moment.